Hi everyone, my name is Kaushal and this is the video number 6 of the project Student Management System. In this section, I am going to discuss about the next feature number 8, attendance tracker. So, here we use the concept of loops, conditions, dictionary, sets and string formatting. So, this is the name of the function attendance underscore report. First statement provides the output looks like this. Header. Next is print. This is the concept of string formatter. So total class held and particular value. That value is coming from the variables that I have defined on the top. The value of total class is 60. So this will present the 60 and minimum percentage required is 0.75 percentage of total class, that comes the 45 class. Now next print statement. Now this is the required variable and I am going to store the value of total class multiply by 75 and convert into integer. So it comes around the 45. So in this variable the value of 45 is stored. Now next one is the print statement. This is use of the string formatter. Name and what is the meaning of less than 80? It means it will take the total space of 18 character and it is the left align. In the same manner, present it will take the 8 character and it is the right aligned. So in the same manner, each one has been printed like name, present, status, and short for. After that, we use the divider function which draw the line like this one, and next comes to the logic. Now I am going to iterate over the students dictionary which contains the data of different students, and first I will sort it on which key, on the basis of attendance. So see the example of students dictionary. Just wait. So key will be on the basis of the value of attendance. So it will sort all these database on the basis of attendance value. So it will sort it on those basis, and third argument is reverse is equal to true. It means that data will be sorted in the descending order. First will the highest attendance, then lower, and in this way this sorted function works. So it will sorted all the students data on the basis of attendance value in descending order. After that, we are going to iterate on those value. So for a student, finding out the attendance value present in store inside the attendance. After that, we calculate the percentage attendance divided by total class multiply by 100, and shortfall function is maximum of 0 required minus student attendance. So these variables we are going to iterate over, and after that, if percentage is greater than 90, then we print the status is excellent for particular students. In the same manner regular, in the same manner status is the warning, otherwise it is a critical. And after that, we find out some integer print statement like need, more, or okay. Means if shortfall, this variable is greater than 0, means there is no shortfall. That means if shortfall is greater than 0, it means there is something shortfall. It means need shortfall more. If this is the less than 0, it means that attendance is okay. So we store the state, we store the this string or this string based on the this condition. So this is use of the if else statement, and this is the use of sorted function. And now comes to the print statement. We print the student name, attribute, attendance, percentage, status, and shortfall string. So output of this for loop for each students looks like that. Sneha having the highest students, highest attendance and corresponding percentage and corresponding status and shortfall. Okay. Next student having the less attendance than from the previous one, and output would be looks like this one. And at last here the string is need 3 more, means minimum 45 is required, and students attend only 42 classes. It means it requires need 3 more. In the same manner, it requires need 15 more. So this is the output of this for loop. Now next is average attendance of class. So sum of attendance for S in the students. Student attendance. So we iterate over the all the variable and finding out the attendance value, and after the sum of all the attendance and divided by the length of students. So it will give the class average attendance. So class average attendance is 50.5, and next is classes average attributes divided by total number of class multiply by 100. So percentage wise is 84.2. So this is the feature attendance tracker. So from this function we can track the attendance of each students, and in this function I use the loops. See here, conditional statement, if else, dictionary. Here we use the concepts of dictionary, and string formatting means print of f. So this is the example of string formatting. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. In next video I am going to discuss about the next feature, which is called the subject wide topper find. So till then, have a good day and keep learning, keep smiling. Thank you so much.